Alright, okay, let's look at this problem. So, how many 4-digit even numbers? They have already tell you that it must be an even number. The 4-digit even number can be formed from the digits. Okay, there are 8 digits here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 digits here. So then they just need 4-digit even numbers, right? Again, it's a number. A number cannot start with 0. Okay. Remember that? Number cannot start with 0. Okay, let's look at the question. How many 4-digit numbers without repetition to make up a number between 2,000 and 6,000? The number must be even number and between 2,000 and 6,000. Alright? Okay, let's consider this. Because this is a 2 conditions, so we have 2 conditions. Means that the first condition will be, okay, at first we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? We 7. Okay, we have 8 digit, but we must remember that this is an even number. Then we want 4 digit. Okay, before that we have to consider, right? Okay, we have to consider the last digit and the first digit here. Do you know why? Because the first digit, the last digit, it must be even number. Even number can be 0, can be 2, can be 4, can be 6, right? Because even number means that the last digit is something that divisible by 2, right? You divide by 2, you're getting integer, you're getting 1, you're getting divide by 2, you're getting 2, you're getting 3, it's an integer. So the even number means that it cannot be 1, 3, 5 and 7. Cannot be 1, 3, 5 and 7. It must be 0, 2, 4 or 6. And after I consider this, I have to consider the front also, because the number is between, right? The number is also must in between 2,000 and 6,000, right? Between 2,000 and 6,000, the meaning means what, you know? Alright, 2,000 and 6,000. So we have 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? It's between 2,000, the number must be between 2,000 or I said the even number lah. Okay, the even number must be between 2,000 and 6,000. Definitely the first digit cannot be 1, right? If 1 means less than 2,000, so it must be more than 2,000. So must be start with 2, 3, 4 and maximum 5. Cannot be 6. Okay, cannot be 6. Okay, so how to do this? The problem comes when these 2 conditions is actually overlapping. Okay, now you see that if you're choosing 6, doesn't matter, right? It won't affect here. If you're choosing 6 or 0, it doesn't affect here. But if you're choosing 4 or 2, it will affect the choice here, right? Because in this question, for the first one, without repetition, okay, without repeat means that once you use the 4 on the last digit, you cannot use 4 here, right? So here will become 3 choice. 3 choice. But if you're using 0, it's okay. It won't affect here because there are no 0 to consider here, right? So now we have to divide them into some cases, alright? Okay, so we try to a simple way. Let's say we see as case 1, alright? We consider case by case. Okay, maybe the last digit. Okay, we consider the last digit and the first digit, alright? The last digit and the first digit. So the last digit and the first digit, maybe the first, we consider the last digit first. Maybe the last digit is 0 or 6, right? Can be 0. If 0 or 6, it won't affect, okay? It won't affect the first 4, right? This 4 here. So because you choose 0 and 6, here you still have 4 choice, right? You still have 4 choice. So means now we have restrict, okay? In this case 1 means that it must be 0 and 6, okay? Must be 0 and 6. So means that we know that we already divide them to case here. So now I not consider 2 and 4. No, I fix. It must be 0 and 6. Either 0 or 6. Why I do that? So that because 0 and 6 won't affect 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay? So 0 and 6 we have 2 choice, right? We have 2 choice. So, okay, don't look at the middle one. Look at the last digit followed by the first digit. The first digit, we have how many choice? You choosing, let's say you're choosing 0. you're choosing 0 for the last digit. Okay, let's say you're choosing 0 for the last digit. Okay, last digit has taken 0, right? So then here you still have 4 choices here because 0 is not inside here. So then you still have 4 choices here, right? 4 choices here. Alright, so now if you have already choose 2 number, you already choose 2 number, right? 0 or 6 is already chosen. Either one, alright? Either one is already chosen. Alright? So let's say this one, I already chosen 2, 3, 4, 5. I already choose one of them. Maybe 2, alright? Maybe 2. So maybe 2. I still have how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more, right? 6 more. So means 6, 5 here. Why 6, 5? I have 6 choice. Maybe I choosing 4. After I choosing 4, I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 choice. The most critical part here will be the last digit and the first digit. 0 or 6. Either end with 0 or 6. Here we'll still have 4 choice. Okay, let's go on with case 2. Right? Case 2. The first digit, right? The first digit and the last digit, right? Now we consider different. So let's say the last digit is ending with 2 or 4, right? Either 2 or 4. Okay. Alright, okay. Let's say the case 2 here. Case 2 here means that, alright, we know that we have, alright, I rewrite again. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have divided them to 2 cases. If the ending is, the last digit will be 2 or 4, right? You have 4 digits. So the last digit is either 2 or 4, right? 2 or 4. Then here you have, also you can have 2, 3, 4, 5. Because why? It's between 2,000 and 6,000, right? You can 2, 3, 4, 5. For here, 2 or 4, right? 2 or 4, case 2, for case 2. Let's say why I divide them to 2 cases. Again, I repeat. Because suppose the last digit, alright? Suppose the last digit we can have 0, 2, 4, and 6. Because any of these digits were making the 4 digit become an even number. Because of 0 and 6, if I choose 0 or 6, it won't disturb the number of choice here, right? But if I choose 2 or 4, if I choosing 2, let's say I putting 2 here, can I choose 2 again here? If I have 2, I choosing 2 as my last digit. Can I choosing 2 again? No, right? Because without repetition. So that's why I divide them. Okay, one is 0 and 6. Because 0 and 6, either 0 or 6, it won't affect. Here still have 4 choice. But if you're choosing 2 or 4 here, then you will be 3. Here will be 3, no longer 4. Why? Because if you're choosing 2, then you will have 3 choice. Alright? Or you're choosing 4, you will have 3 choice here. Right? So it's different. So now 2 or 4, you still have 2 choice. Alright? 2 choice. Okay, look at the end digit and the start of the digit. So this one can, after you choosing 4, maybe 4, you have 3 choice. Or maybe 2, you have 3 more choice. So you have 3 choice, right? Of course, the middle one, let's say you're already choosing 2, and here you're choosing 5. Let's say you're choosing 5. Then you still have how many choice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one without condition, you still have 6. Let's say you're choosing 3. Let's say already taken 3. So you still have 5 choice, right? 5 choice. So this will be summed up to be the number of ways of forming. Alright, so if you sum up the possibility of these two, means that, okay, let's calculate these two first. Alright, one is end with digit 0 or 6, and one is end with digit 2 or 4. Alright, for this we're giving you 180 ways. Right, 180 ways. And for this we're giving you 240 ways. Right, if you total up these two, it will be make up a number between 2,000 and 2,000 and 6,000, and it's an even number. Alright, it's an even number between 2,000 and 6,000. We have 240 plus with 180. So means that 240 plus with 180, we have 420 ways. The answer for part A, right? We can just write 4 times 6 times 5 times 2 plus with, add with 3 times 6 times 5 times 2. So we take 240 plus with 180, giving you 420 ways. Alright, it may take some time for you to think about this. So you must think before you're looking at my solution so that you have better understanding. Alright, okay, let's move on with part B. Alright, let's look at part B. It's the same, okay? But now just now it's without repetition. But now it's with repetition. Means that the number can be repeated. For example, you use the first digit as 2, the second digit you still can using 2, right? But because of this with condition, so we have to consider also, because, okay, we have 4 digit, right? We have 4 digit. Then they say that the number must be even. The number must be even. So means it's an even number, right? And this even number is between 2,000 and 6,000, you know. So now I know that for this I can choosing 0, 2, 4 and 6, right? And here you can choosing 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I won't divide this to case. I won't divide this to, like just now I doing A, I divide them to case. This one I won't do it because why? If I choosing 2, here I still can choosing 2, right? Means that this number can be 2, 3, 4, 2. Can repeat. If you're using 2 here, you still can using 2 here. It won't disturb the choice here, the number of choice here. Just now we need to divide because why? If you're choosing 2, you cannot repeat. Here you cannot using 2. So now you can repeat, right? You can repeat. So, okay. Now you have how many choice here? You have 4 choice, right? Definitely you have 4 choice. Okay. After you're choosing, let's say you're choosing 0. Okay, no problem. You're choosing 2 or 4. Just now, part A, if you're choosing 4, here you cannot choosing 4, right? But now if you're choosing 4, you will still have 4 choice here. Okay, you still have 4 choice here. So here 1, 0, 2, 4 or 6, 4 choice. Here also 4 choice, right? Of course, what is the middle one, right? Can be any number. Can all the number be 2, 2, 2, 2? Can all the number repeat to be 2, 2, 2, 2? Yes, can be repeat. As long as even number, this is an even number, and between 2,000 and 6,000 is okay, right? It's okay, can repeat. So we have to multiply with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 choice, right? We have 8 choice. Can be 0. For this can be 0, right? Can be 8. 8 choice also. Kenapa pilih 8 lagi? Kenapa 8 lagi? Sebab dia boleh ulang lagi, boleh guna mana-mana tengah-tengah ini, mana-mana. So ada 8, 8. Here also, after you choosing 4, let's say, here you still can using 4, means that you still have 8 choice, right? 4, 8, 8, 4. But this is still have a minor mistake. Okay, we have a mistake here. You can pause the video and think. I tell you that there is a mistake here. What is the mistake? Alright, okay, I want to tell you, this seems like correct, but there is a trick here. Okay, I repeat again, as the first digit can take 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? You cannot take 1, right? You cannot take 0, 0 cannot start with 0. You cannot take 1 because it's between 2,000 and 6,000, right? So you have 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last digit you have 0, 2, 4, and 6. Why you choosing only this number? Because it's even number, right? But why that is still a mistake? Okay, let's look at this 8, right? This 8 can chosen as what? This 8 can be chosen from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the same thing here, for this you can also choosing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So you try to think, what is the mistake here? So if you're choosing this, we cannot accept 2,000 and 6,000, right? Do you know that? Because it said between. Means that the even number here cannot be 6,000. Definitely got no 6,000 here. Do you know why? Do you know why? Because you see 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there 6 here? The 4 choice here got no 6. Definitely the 6,000 is not inside, right? But the key, this is the one that I want to say. Try to think what I mean. 2,000 means what? You look at here, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 4 choice here, maybe kemungkinan you terpilih 2. Okay? Let's say you're choosing 2. Maybe after you repeat, because can repeat, right? Can repeat. Maybe you're choosing 0. Maybe you're choosing 0. Means in the 8 choice here, there is, maybe you're choosing 0. Maybe in the 8 choice here again, you also choosing a 0. Right? You may be also choosing 0. And here also can be 0, you see, 0, 2, 4, 6. Means 0 also in the consideration for this place here. Means that maybe you're also choosing 0 here. Because can be repeat, right? So means that I have already over calculated one number here, 2,000. 2,000 means that in 4884, the number of ways is include 2,000. I should not include 2,000 because it's even number. Definitely 6,000 is not inside because it's no 6. Okay, don't need to consider. But 2,000 is inside. I have to minus one way, right? Because 2,000 is one of the 4884. That's why the trick here is you must minus 1, which giving you supposed to be 1024. You have 1024 even number, okay? There are 1024 even number inside there. One of the even number is 2000, which cannot be chosen. So it's 1023 way. The correct one is 1023 ways. Alright? So you have to be careful about this. So, okay. Hope you understand. If you don't understand, you can always find your lecturer or find me.